We just ate sushi, but should have filmed it there, but I forgot my camera. But we're on the way to go pick up another car. Me and Koji went half. The reason why we're getting another drift car because I want to keep my S50 as stock as possible and hold on to it before I trash it. And I have a Cresta. I love 4-door, but I mean I never really drifted 4-door, but you know I can't stay away from S chassis. I mean Koji found a good one and I went and looked at it like a week ago and decided to get it so Koji can practice without worrying about trashing it. But we'll make it look sick. It's gonna be a long drive, 3 hours each way. This car has been sitting for a few years. It shouldn't have a problem, but since we're driving back 3 hours on freeway, so I packed with tools, jacks, spare wheels, and hopefully we'll make it without problem. This box, I just picked it up from shipping company. It's Cresta's OEM front bumper. Since I already have front lip, the one I had was Zenki front bumper, so I got Koki bumper. 楽しみ。
めっちゃ楽しみ楽しみやった十分。新しい180。
まだ180って言ってないよじゃあ運転よろしく。ここから6時間ですよ
マジ
行き帰り6時間じゃん
運転し、あ、そっか。自分は180運転すんのか。
あ、したい。俺が最初した方がいい。ちょっとまあどっちにしろお前これ運転するまあでも代わりよ途中で。あ、でもリンの免許証あんだ。後ろで静かで
隠れてたでしょ
今超ズームしてるから顔
話振られないように静かにしてた
隠れてたし、まあ6時間って考えると長っ。めっちゃ長いな。しんど。帰んのは8、9、10、11時
12時前だね。
12時前。
モンスター何本いるかな。
4本だね。
180壊れないといいね。工具全部積んだから。
壊れちゃったら明日になるね。
From here I'll just take some B-rolls. We've been driving for 10 minutes and she's already out. first pit stop. We drove this Seal 80 and filled it up. First walk around of the car. Pretty cherry. This guy had this tray here where he would have put his shoes. He wasn't wearing shoes when he drove this. Gave me extra seat, full interior with even the privacy cover, what Jordan doesn't have.どう？また180を
最高。
楽しみ。
楽しみ。全然眠くなんないもん、帰りが。2時間の3時間の
まず何すんの？
まず
何改造すんの？
足回りやってから最後にエアロとかやってオールペンしてはい。
車検取るでしょ、最初。
まず車検
まず車検通していじりまくんだ。
そう